In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Adobe Sign request. If you've ever found yourself needing to withdraw a document you've previously sent for a signature, don't worry. It's a simple process. Let's dive right in and go through it step by step. First, you'll need to open a web browser on your computer. Any browser should work: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or the one you're most accustomed to using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Adobe Sign website. This is the online platform where you manage your electronic agreements and is the centerpiece of our task today. After reaching the Adobe Sign homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. Enter your credentials, your email and password. And if you have two-factor authentication set up, complete that process as well. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Adobe Sign dashboard, your hub for all signature-related activities. Now, make your way to the Agreements page. This page acts like a filing cabinet, listing all the agreements you've sent out, received, or are currently drafting. Here, you can see the status of each document, whether sent, signed, or pending. Next, survey the list to find the specific agreement you want to cancel. It helps if you know the document name or recipient's name, since this makes the search quicker. Once you find the agreement in question, click on it to open up more details. Upon clicking the agreement, you'll need to locate the Cancel option. This might appear on the right rail of your screen, or could be tucked away under an Actions menu. It may not be labeled prominently, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking Cancel will prompt the system to halt the agreement process. Before you complete the cancellation, Adobe Sign will ask you to provide a reason for this action. It's not mandatory to go in-depth, but offering a brief explanation can be valuable for record-keeping and any future reference. Additionally, there is an option to notify all participants involved in the agreement about the cancellation. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain clear communication or intend to follow up with those parties separately. Finally, to cement the cancellation, select the Cancel Agreement option. Once selected, Adobe Sign will move the document to a canceled status within your account. This change is immediate, ensuring that the agreement is no longer active or pending signature from the recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled an Adobe Sign request. Remember, your agreements are an important part of your professional dealings, so utilizing these tools responsibly will help maintain your workflow efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.